Well, good morning, fifth grade science. Today we're going to start learning about the circulatory system. And as a part of the circulatory system, we're going to be learning about the heart and the parts of the heart. We're going to be learning about blood vessels like veins and arteries and capillaries. We're also going to be learning about the parts of the blood and all that good stuff. So I'm excited about this one. You've heard me talk about it quite a bit in some of you might think gross pictures and videos that we're going to be looking at, but it's all super cool. The advancements in technology just in the last couple of years have been amazing. Today we're going to introduce this to you basically with the start of our research of the heart. So on April 4th, 1969, a man by the name of Dr. Denton Cooley, he entered an operating room in Texas, and in a few short hours, he had placed the first artificial heart in a person. And here is what it looked like. This is the artificial heart. The artificial heart was made of rubber and special fabric that was flexible, and it could move like a real heart would. It was run by a power unit that was about the size of a washing machine. Imagine that. Imagine you're lying in a hospital bed. You have these tubes coming out of you, and it's attached to a machine that is the size of a washing machine. Dr. Cooley knew that this artificial heart was just going to be temporary. It's not going to last long. 3 days later, he was able to find a donor heart. And so he removed the artificial heart from that woman, and he put in a donor heart from a person who had passed away. Now, today, transplants usually are the best solution for a damaged heart, but every once in a while, artificial hearts are used, and they can be used from a couple of weeks or a month or so. And here's what our modern day artificial heart looks like. The longest time an artificial heart has lasted is about 4 years, and it has taken thousands of hours and millions of dollars for researchers to create artificial hearts. Now, we have newer technology that's happening every single day. There's more information. There's more ways for us to learn about the heart. Today's artificial hearts are much better than the ones that Dr. Denton Cooley used back in 1969. But we've still not been able to duplicate what God has placed inside of us. The pastor's wife, which is the person who received the heart, was a pastor's wife. She was asked to talk about her experience, and she said that nothing was as good as what God could make for her, but the fact that technology and people had used the knowledge that God had given them in order to give her what she needed temporarily was an amazing thing. In fact, Harvard Medical School recently has found out a way that they can grow a heart. Now, a lot of the medical field has experimented with like 3D printing different materials to make artificial hearts. Well, what Harvard Medical School has discovered is that they could take a person's heart, they can strip it of anything that would recognize, your body would recognize it as someone else's heart, and they could start putting your special fingerprints, your DNA onto that heart, and then your body wouldn't reject it. So it's pretty amazing what doctors and scientists have been able to do. In the next few days, we're going to be learning about how our blood system works, how our heart works, what the 4 different parts of the heart are, and where it's located. And I'm just super excited to show you what is ahead. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.